What is up, y'all? Hi West, I'm out here on the Hawk 250. 2 days in a row now, y'all. So we had that big collision up the road today. Get over here. I got my knitted jacket on. I want to take a closer look. All the power is out, so there's nothing for me to do. Gotta flick the light switches on. Nothing happens. Go give me a cup of coffee. It's cold because the coffee pot's gone out. Go to cut the grass, but I have an electric lawnmower, so nothing happens. So what is there to do besides take a little ride on my Hawk 250? Early too. I just got the kids off to school not long ago. Has to be like a little bit after 10 a.m. I usually never start off with a choke. Full choke going. Let's go to after. One day I'm going to screw up and mishandle something and yeet my bike to something or fall. I already know. Let's take a look. A lot of shit on the ground. Like that rock I just went over. We got the tow truck up here, so I'm just gonna assume the best, and that his tire lost control, and that caused him to go through the wall and fall down and go up on the hill while barely avoiding all those heavy objects. I'm just gonna assume it wasn't his fault, that it was a mechanical failure. But that's the driver right up there, he's okay. Big cleanup though. So they were just working on the power. Oh, there they are, on the other side of the street. He's just over here. Hopefully it don't take till 1 o'clock like they said. I would like to get something done. And it's hot out here, man. My animals need air conditioning. It feels like it's like 85 degrees now. So yeah, he had to be coming from that way and somehow cross the median. They've even taken up the steel poles. See, it's cured already. Across the median. Wow. That sucker was doing some jackknifing or something though.
I was standing in the damn in the door right here, and I seen the damn truck. It looked like the damn truck was about to be like transformer.
You know, the transformer came out. It started moving around.
Yep. That son of a bitch hit that wall right there and went through the wall and jumped up and boom, boom, boom. I said,
that's what I imagined.
Did he have a stroke?
Ooh. That's what, take a quick look. Yeah, y'all. So we up here. We were just up here yesterday. I was talking about how dangerous it was. Getting through construction. Look what we have now. Big ass RDP food truck service truck. And there's the driver right there. He's okay. It's like he lost control. Went across the street. On the other side, busting through the pole, knocked down the electric wires. Damn, there's debris all over the place. That little brick wall didn't stand a freaking chance. But there's debris everywhere. Yeah, I told y'all it was dangerous up here. It's a bit scary. He really got lucky, though, to be honest. He missed that pole. He must have put some control in that bad boy. Gas tank, missed the gas tank by, shit, 2 inches. He's okay, though. That's the important thing. And look, I was up here. I came up here like 5 minutes after to check it out. There wasn't even a police car or an ambulance. People were just like, what happened? Talking about it. I was on the phone. I was talking to my son, taking the school. I was like, maybe we should call the cops. So we called my daughter. And she said she heard the ambulance was like 5 minutes later. That's crazy. Look at my sign, y'all. So I guess there wasn't an ambulance because the guy's okay. But your mom said the power's gonna be out till like 1 o'clock. That means like 4 hours, no power.
Yeah, I got you now.
5 hours, no power. He obliterated that wall. On my dirt bike. Woo! Look at that shit. Minefield.